YouTube, what's going on, guys? Check out the Crossfire 420, guys. It's up and ripping. We had to make a little shim for that torque converter there to get that belt lined up right. But we got it. We got to figure it out. The belt's in line now. And this thing went out to the TBC 100 track, guys, and straight murdered my best time. I think me and Jit's best times were 24s, 25s. I think we might have got maybe a 23, but this thing came out and ran a 24-second barely running. Like, this is like half throttle running. This thing is running. It's still not full throttle yet. The motor's not broken yet. But Poss came out here and just straight killed it, guys. I recorded his one lap time, 24-second, and he was barely running that thing. He can get that thing way faster than that. Like, that was him letting off big time. So I can't wait to see how fast this buggy's really going to be, guys. Check this thing out ripping around. We had Sweet Pea out there. It was breaking up. I gotta clean the carburetor out or something going on with it. But it wasn't running too hot. That's not what this video is about. This video is about that Crossfire with that Predator 420 big boy. Now my dad's got the intake off of it, and the exhaust. He's getting the stage 1 kit with the intake, the jet, and the header. So that should be pretty sweet. Get this thing opening up, get that cover deleted also. Watch this thing rip, man. It does work. I drove it today for the first time, man. It's like driving on a cloud compared to driving on these no suspension bikes we've been riding. Yeah, holding the camera and tripod and riding CP is not easy, guys. I'll tell you what. I gotta give me some good mounts that don't bounce around so bad. Like I said, these things are so bumpy, man. It's hard to record us riding. I can definitely get a mount on my dad's buggy and let him record, because it rides with me. We had to take the gas tank off because he dented the gas tank so bad. He probably happened right then, going over that jump, just where the suspension valve. Watch this thing come around this corner on 2 wheels. Oh man.
Yeah. It's out here, guys. You see it? Look at this beauty.
So excited to see this buggy out ripping now, guys. Can't wait till the next race. Pop's gonna get the enter. That thing should be able to hold up really easy to 100 laps. We might even do 200 laps on the next race. Who knows? We'll see. Watch this thing on 2 wheels. Look at that 2-wheel motion, guys. You gotta love it. That thing just looks good doing it too.
Just chilling. But he's getting faster and faster with that thing, man.
Wink over the jump.
Yeah.
420 buggies out getting it, guys. See some more 2-wheel motion. There we go. Some more 2-wheel. That roof looking good on there too. I can't wait till it gets all painted. It's gonna look so sweet. I think he's gonna get a little taller rear shock as well.
We gotta do some ripping with him, guys.
That rear suspension is just a little bit too soft. So I took Sweet Pea out there and tried to do some ripping with him, guys, but it just wasn't cutting. It was breaking up real bad. Probably got something in the carburetor from the TBC race. It was, you guys, we were racing out there in the rain, you know, so. Man, wasn't it exciting to see that thing finally out there ripping, guys. Look at that thing. Got them ITP wheels on there, man, looking fresh. Got them racing seats in there. This buggy is just out killing the game. We gotta jump in the rut. Good old Sweet Pea, boy. I love that thing. Alright, guys, as always, thank you for watching. Make sure you're subscribed. Share this out if you can. I love all you guys so freaking much, man. Y'all are so awesome. Look at Pops over there chilling in the grass, waiting for me to start him back up. Alright, guys. Catch you on the next one. You know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe. Nubs out. Peace.